What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to clear all liked videos on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Make sure you have updated your Instagram application and then head over to your Instagram application. Then make sure you have logged in into your desired account. Then click on your profile icon. Then go to the hamburger menu. Then go to your activity option under how you use Instagram section. Then here go to likes under the interactions section, and filter to all contents type from just reels, and click on apply. Here goes the videos that you have liked in your Instagram. Just select them and click on clear all. And if you click on clear all, each and every video you have liked will be cleared. And this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.